Okay, so I was renovating this flower bed out front. It had become too overcrowded with daylilies and nothing else could grow, so I was digging them up and throwing them away. But I found this Oriental hybrid lily that I decided to keep, so I'm transplanting it into another flower bed. Ordinarily, you shouldn't try and move these when they're actively growing. It's best to do it in the fall or the spring before, when it's just a bulb. And but since I found this in there, I decided to go ahead and try and do it when it was like this, and I was surprised that it did work. So let's see how I did it. For a bulb that size, you want to have your hole at least maybe 8 inches deep, and you can kind of tell what level it's going before, but a bulb this size should be 8 inches deep. I think the rule of thumb is 2.5 times the depth of the bulb. The hole should be 2.5 times the depth of the bulb alone. And so I've dug a hole, and then here it is after I transplanted it, and you can see it's doing really well. It's got some nice blooms on there. So evidently the transplant stuff, it's been growing for a few years now. And it's doing just fine. You can see with all of these other blooms on it. And you can see another little one back there that didn't even look like it was going to make it. And it did just fine too. Okay, if you thought that was a good video, can you please subscribe and like this video? I would really appreciate it. It helps me out. And thank you very much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks. Bye.